Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape this potato meat recipe. Vegetable oil, potatoes, salt, oregano, curry, garlic, paprika, white pepper, parsley leaf, seasoning, and I added onion. I will mix and mix together properly. Once I am done, I will add in my meat and my gizzard that I already cooked. I'll give it a good mix. For those of you always coming to watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep sharing, keep commenting, keep liking. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I covered and allow it to steam for like 20 minutes on a very low heat. As you can see, I didn't add any water, so I gave it a good stir, and I will still cover and cook it again. So here it is. I added my onion. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I will just cover and allow it to steam for 1 second. So this recipe is ready to be served. I'm serving it and I'm enjoying it right away. Do give this recipe a try. It came out so yummy and so nice and so tasty. Bye.